Good morning, everyone. It's Helen here with Helen. Thanks for joining me on this Monday morning, April 3rd, 2023. The question of the day is, will it ever stop snowing here in Casper, Wyoming? They're calling over the next 48 hours for us to get up to 20 inches of snow plus. And in the higher elevations, we could see up to 26 inches of snow. So all it's doing is making the grass green and giving us plenty of moisture for our flowers. We're going to keep telling ourselves that. This will be the last video I will make of the snow this spring. However, I will make a video once the grass is nice and green and everything is sprung outside so that you can see the stark contrast here in the next couple of months. Hopefully everybody has a blessed week, and hopefully you are warm and safe wherever you are at. Enjoy this view and have a great day.